So this is 09 Toyota Matrix, and we had a code of with fault code, that's it, P0301. So in also his history, cylinder number 1, pending cylinder number 1, then current cylinder number 1. So same in here, cylinder number 1. Let's go on data stream. So let's go check Misfire.
You did want me to hold?
No, it's alright. I just wanna show it to them. So let's try to check cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4. Misfire count, okay. So right now, no misfire. So let's drive the car. By the way, that's the check engine light on right there. So let's.
You need my help?
No, it's
Oh,
alright.
you want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's drive the car and then let's check if
Should I hold
we
it for
could
you?
see a misfire. Feel that like.
Yes.
So right now 0-0. No miss.
It
No.
was one here before.
No misfire.
There was one.
Then let's drive the car. Should get that one. Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
Stop the car. Stop the car. They go.
Yeah.
There, 1, 2, 3, 5 miscount. Okay.
One cylinder one.
So it's confirmed there's a misfire on cylinder number 1. Okay, good. Nothing in 2, 3, 4.
Nothing.
Only on cylinder number 1.
One.
Again. So we're driving. We'll stop. Let's check the misfire. There you go. And the car is shaking. Okay, it's confirmed it's cylinder number 1. So that's how we check misfire for cylinder using of this scanner. Let's go back to our garage.
My son, he does professional photography.
Really?
So if you need any help or parts from Best Buy, he works at Best Buy as well.
Where in Best Buy?
Best Buy in Surrey big mall.
Okay. So this is cylinder number 1.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do, let's try number 3. If there's a changes, the meaning this one is good.
Yes.
Okay, there's some changes.
Yeah.
See that? Number 4.
Yes.
Yes, there's some change. Oh, meaning it's working.
Yeah.
Stop. So
We checked 3 and 4.
this one. So second one.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Then this is cylinder number 1. Let's see.
It's working but
Okay.
weak.
So working go. That will trigger a code because we removed that wire.
Yeah.
So we're gonna reset the computer first, and then let's like
Change the coil.
change this probably to here. That's what we are going to do. I had one more test, so it seems like they are all working. Remove this. Check for spark. This sometimes like other ignition,
Yeah.
if there's a crack in here,
Yeah.
you can see a spark.
Yeah.
But this one is like good, so let's check on number 1.
Yeah. There you check the. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just focus in here so I don't see any spark coming on the
Yeah.
stem.
On the.
So meaning the ignition coil, it seems, for now, it seems like it's good.
Yeah. It's brand new.
And
1
it's
week
brand
old.
new though, yeah.
Yeah.
But just wanna double check. Even though it's brand new, you never know.
Yeah.
So next thing we need to do is to exchange this, probably the farthest one, or second to the farthest one. Or we need to turn off the car. Okay, let's exchange this. This is a brand new one.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not denso.
No, not then so.
Anyway, it's okay. This one is also good.
No, they're
It's a
all
brand
a
new.
set of 4.
So let's get in here.
I had the last one, the old one.
Yeah.
They were brand new. One of them.
We'll write down 1.
Yeah.
1, and this is 3. Okay. So we will exchange them, and then we will run the car for a few minutes, and let's check our scanner. If we go to number 3, because if the code will go on number 3, then
If the coil is bad.
coil is.
Yeah.
Before we test drive, we need to clear the code. So let's clear. Hold on. So that's the yes. Okay, and then yes. Okay, and then no more. Check engine light on, and now I'm going to remove my OBD scanner, then
Put it back in.
put it back again so it will reset everything. Hold on. Now let's start the car until the check engine light come back. So right now no code. So okay, I let my friend drive the car so I can monitor our data stream, and so far I don't see any code. Oh boy, it's bad. I hate this. I couldn't. We need to have a. Alright, we did see a Misfire. It's from still on number 1.
Yeah.
So you can go back now, and then we can show it to them. I will be showing you the Misfire. So can you like the other way stop? Over here.
This is the one, right?
This one. Yeah. And then can you stop for a while? Stop. Let's just see. There go. 1. There's a Misfire. So it didn't go to number 3, cylinder number 3. It stay on cylinder number 1. So your ignition coil is good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to our garage.
Garage is that way.
Yeah, that way. Oh well. So it's not the ignition coil. So let's go check your cylinder. I might gonna check also your wiring.
Plus, it's not consistent because I checked on my Corolla,
Yeah.
the driving school one. That's
Yeah.
different.
So we're gonna check the actual. By the way, this is 4 wire. So I already write down in here. So it has red, yellow, white, blue, and then white, black. So we're gonna check the power feed, the signal. I think this is the signal, the return signal, and then the ground. So we already checked this a while ago. I just want to show you, and I got my power probe in here. So that's my power probe. I put it here so you can see it. So check it in here. So I'm gonna touch the red. So you will see there 12 bolts. I don't know if 12 bolts right there. Yeah, okay, 12 bolts. Then I'm gonna touch the yellow. Yeah, plain yellow. I think that's our return signal. We don't have manual, so I'm doing it manually. So we got 5.0. So I think that's our reference voltage. And then the white, blue, it's nothing. So I think this is your signal. So it only shows power when your car is running. And then the ground, I'll show it to you. It will show 0. Okay. So that's the wiring diagram for this 09 Toyota Matrix.
My kids were sleeping today.
That's it. So we already checked the wiring integrity of this car, and like I said a while ago, we get this one, and we don't have this fancy lab scope. I got only this Hantec one, and it's not showing a good signal, but I did see some just enough to convince me that the wiring integrity is good. So ignition coil is good, wiring integrity is good. So the next thing that we need to do, compression test. So again, we exchange the ignition coil from number 1 to number 3, because number 1 cylinder had a code, the P0301, but still the code stay on number 1, and it has a misfire. So we're gonna check this cylinder number 1. We'll do a compression test.
That's okay. ठीक है? मैंने कहा यही है वो था. वो एक टूल रह गया था, कंप्रेशन टूल घर पे.
Let's do the compression test, but we need an adapter.
वही अपनी मैट्रिक्स का, तो उसका उसका कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल टाइप का कोई चल रहा था.
This one is a smaller one, smaller size.
एक ग्रेड.
So we need an adapter. This one is too big.
So he is doing that. So चलो, okay.
So this one won't fit on matrix, so you need an adapter. All right, let's put it on.
Let's see.
Did it fit? It seems like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Going in, right?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh yeah.
So this is how जो
Oh yeah.
स्पार्क प्लग की चूड़ियों की जगह है ना, so he is threading it in, and then हमने ऑलरेडी पीछे से सीट खोल के ना, बजाय इधर से फ्यूल रेल मिल नहीं रही थी, so just जो मैंने किया था इसका फ्यूल इंजेक्टर साफ करते हुए ना, I actually pulled that one to do the fuel injectors through the railing fuel line here. So we cleaned and used that B12 cam tool or something.
Yeah.
And we run it for 3-5 minutes on that thing.
Oh shit. Okay.
And probably that should have cleansed the injectors.
Okay. So.
Give.
So before you crank the car, you need to unplug your fuel pump wire. It's more easier than looking for the fuse. Okay, hold on. Go ahead. So crank it 3 times. That's the cylinder number 1. Good. 1. Okay, that's it. How much do we have? We got 74 psi. Okay, 74 psi. So let's do it second time. Okay, go ahead. Okay, that's it. Start it. So we got same result, 74. So got 7. That's too close. So we got first one 75, second one 74. One more time. One sec.
Once more.
Hold on. Third time. That's it. We got 75. So yeah, it's around 75, 74. Okay, let's go on the cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 2. Okay, go ahead. Stop. It's not that bad.
I watched one video, they say the normal is anything above 70 is normal.
Okay, go ahead. One more. Stop. So we're just gonna record it. So this is cylinder number 3. Okay. So we got at least 115. Whoa, okay.
100 how much?
115. Okay, one more. One sec. Okay, go ahead. Okay, that's it. Yeah, same thing, 115. Okay, let's go on number 4. Wow, so 1 is at least 75, 2 is at least 77, and then 3 is 115. Let's check this number 4. This should be at least 115.
Yeah, then it will say that's the middle leak.
So, okay, cylinder number 4. Okay, go ahead. Stop. Yeah, at least 115. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, go ahead. Stop. Oh yeah, it's still 115. So 2 cylinders very low.
Yeah.
So it's 115. So yeah, it's confirmed you had an internal problem. So whatever it is, it's still an internal problem. It's mechanical.
Yeah, mechanical.
So it's this 75, 77, 115, 115. So whatever inside we don't know, but at least we all know that it's
gasket, it can be valve.
Yeah, it can be bulb, exhaust valve, intake valve, head gasket.
Mostly it's exhaust valve.
Yeah, but it's confirmed it's mechanical problem, internal, not the wiring, not the ignition coil, not the spark plug.
Yeah.
So you need to check it inside.
Now tell me.
Yeah.